Hi, welcome back to my channel. This just looks like a simple paper stick, but it actually has a secret. Watch what happens when I slide this handle. Isn't it cool? Today I'm going to show you how to make this secret sliding fan or a retractable fan from scratch. It's an easy DIY and a perfect way to stay cool on the go. If you like this craft, please keep on watching. Now, grab your paper and let's get creative, shall we? First, grab 3 sheets of colorful A4 paper. Lay them out horizontally. Take your time decorating each paper with your favorite pattern. Once they're ready, glue the side edges together to create one continuous piece. Now, turn your paper vertically. We're going to create the fan by folding 1.5 cm pleats in zigzag pattern. The secret here is precision, so keep the edges crisp and aligned to give the fan a perfect accordion finish. Take a ruler and mark 12 cm down from the top on both left and right sides. Take a 23 cm long string, tie a knot on the end. Using a double-sided tape, secure the string exactly onto the second fold of the paper. Repeat this on both sides, making sure that the string is pulled straight and the tape is nice and firm. To make a handle, grab a card paper. And to get a nice cylinder shape, use a pen to help you start the roll. Then take the fan and wrap around a double-sided tape just below the pencil line. Put double-sided tape in the center and at the bottom too. To join them together, take the fan and align it with the top edge of the card paper. Add another strip of double-sided tape and make sure to roll it tightly so your fan stays sturdy when you use it. Now apply double-sided tape to the edge. Press firmly to close the handle. Take another piece of an A4 card paper and cut it into half. Use the half card paper, measure and cut 9 cm by 12.5 cm, then roll it. This will be the sliding or moving tube. For the cover, take the remaining card paper, measure and cut a 5.5 by 9 cm rectangle and a 7 cm by 9 cm rectangle. Then cut strips of sparkly paper for the trimmings. Stick the trimmings on the top and the bottom part of the handle. Get the slider and wrap it around the handle. Make sure that it is not too tight and can easily move up and down smoothly before securing it. Pull the strings to the side of the handle. Measure 5 cm from the tip of the fan, just as shown. Mark it with a tape. Hold the string and the sliding tube together and test it out if it covers the fan properly. If it's ready, secure the string on the side of the handle using adhesive tape. Make sure that the string won't easily come out. Cut out the excess string. Now apply glue around the adhesive tape and stick the cover number 2. Then stick the cover number 1. Finally, add more trimmings or decor as you like. And there you have it, your very own DIY secret sliding fan. If you had fun making this craft with us, please hit that subscribe button and join our crafty community. Give this video a like if you love a good surprise. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!